Ready?
Yeah.
Do this.
Oh, let's go ahead.
Departing runway 29er, tower frequency 133.07.
Something goes
Call sign.
Someone on the phone. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Everybody get still, hear me?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go, turn on and clear. Okay, cool. JD, still back there?
Yeah.
Alright, you haven't jumped out yet?
How she can make it right.
You haven't jumped out yet?
Yeah. Happiness is when you really feel good about somebody. There's nothing wrong being in love with someone. Yeah. Oh, baby, love and happiness. Love and happiness. Oh.
How you doing back there, Jada?
I'm okay.
Alright. You like the clouds? No? You don't like the clouds? Alright, so we're at 1,100 feet here. Do you want to start taking the controls a bit here? Alright, let's do this. So we'll stay at 1,100 feet. We're just going to head this direction. We're kind of facing, we're
I'll be good to you. We'll be together.
Why are we moving like this?
a little movement like that. So the air is a fluid, or just like the water. So you get a little bits up and downs on each bit. We're fine. It's not him doing it. Very good. Yeah, so the game starts at 7:10, so in 13 minutes, we can't be within 3 miles of here. They put a TFR up, so it says blue, put a circle around here on the screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow.
They actually clear their airspace, too.
Yeah. Enjoying it a little bit more, Jada? I'll wait for my car to get towards Paramount.
Yeah, there's no way you can see it from all here either. I tried to come down a little bit. We're going to head up to
I got the mic for a second. I'm gonna. Alright. Beautiful. And there's the observatory on the left. Wow. The wave. People the wave. There we go. Oh my god. I'm sure they think bitches down there. You're okay, we're good. You alright? We're okay. You okay? Yeah. We're fine. We're good. We're straight again. We're good. We're okay. And on the left down here, we're going to pass Hollywood, the Capitol record stuff right there. And I'll give you the point back again if you want, or again here. Alright, cool. We'll just go straight. We're good. Alright. Airport's still clear. Alright. Joe, I don't know.
Is that normal?
Oh,
Not really.
oh my god.
Got a
What's happening?
little bit of engine roughness. Anybody got the checklist all? Checklist, what's going on?
Is there a checklist back there, Jada?
What do you mean?
The
What
There should be something's in the back seat somewhere. Right here.
Oh my god.
Just help us out here.
No, I don't know
Grab
what
the-
to do.
I'm trying to
Grab that fork. Go ahead and hold the controls there for a
What are
second.
you doing?
I'll help you. Jada, I need to help him. I need to help him grab it.
Okay. What
Okay,
are you
just-
gonna do? What
Just
are you
relax.
gonna do?
Just
We're
relax.
nearly at the airport. I think we're gonna be okay.
Just read the
Can you read that off for us? Because I'm gonna try to switch the fuel tanks here.
Read what out?
what is that? Engine failure? Or?
Yeah, basically we have an engine failure.
Engine
A
failure.
little bit,
Like engine failure.
Where?
Engine failure.
I don't
So go ahead.
see it.
Just hold the controls for me there, because
Okay.
I can switch through the fuels here and make sure see if we can get this
Okay.
engine back on.
What?
Just read it off, Mama. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you read that for us? We can.
Fixture.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Main switch.
Come on.
Fuel selector.
All right.
I don't know what this means.
Just read it, Mama. Just read it.
Speed.
Okay.
I don't know.
Keep reading.
Keep reading. Keep reading it.
Fixture.
Yeah. Got it.
A selector.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fuel pump.
Check.
Okay.
Mix.
Okay.
Yeah. Check.
Fuel selector and pump.
Got it on. Got it on.
Magneto says main switch.
We're good on there.
Now it says land.
Land.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else? Here, open that up. Is there anything else?
What is it?
Open it.
Has to be the oxygen mask?
Keep going.
This... What the... Oh my god! Oh yes! Yes! Now look at me down! Yes! Yes! Of course! Oh my god!
First hour, 3 gonna 3 minutes there. We're at 29. Like,
Oh my god!
It's a beautiful night.
I want it! Ever!
To do. Hey,
You fucking
baby,
scared me!
I think I wanna marry you.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh god! You're supposed to be on your knees!
We'll work that out later.
Okay.
I think I wanna marry you.
And I'll take it again from here.
All right. Thank you.
You give her a tip of the month.
On the boulevard we can go. No one will know.
Beautiful!
You okay?
Yeah, you scared me. I thought we were gonna die. I was like thinking about Amira.
For trash, got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no.
I think the plan's all right now.
Say yeah, yeah, yeah. And we'll go,
Did it fit?
go, go,
I don't know.
if you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do.